Hello everyone, a new tutorial for Glorify app, the best design app for e-commerce and a lot more. Really, this is something I wanted to show you because I had a sort of request. So let's show what's happening and what's the issue and the workaround I found out. So we got this image, okay. Let's say I wanted to show only partially below this banner. So the black banner is actually overlapping the image. We want this to be below. Now you would say, well, it's easy, you just move the layer below, and that's what I will do now. But as you can see, the bottom part of the helmet is still showing. So if now I will resize it, maybe it's okay, but it's not the effect I want, because I want the helmet to be big, like this, for example. So how can we do and mask this part below? Well, it's easy, obviously. It's a workaround, and I will just get an element like a shape, click on shapes, add a rectangle, resize the rectangle, just put it here. There we go. Select the color, pick from document color or use a color picker, and now we move this lower below the elements, one more on top. There we have it. Still, as you see, not being a very precise obviously image like here, we need to move and tune it up a bit. And there we have it. I think it's still a workaround. I don't know if there is a better way of achieving that, but in my case this is more than enough. So if you zoom out, you will see there is still space below. There is still the image, just in case. Obviously you have to play with the layer, because if you see, the yellow will overlap, for example, the other element, which is this sort of stripe here. So you can potentially move it, this one, for example, a bit more forward. And there we go. Now the text is, for example, not in front, so we still move it here. I think once they will fix and add a proper layer system, this will be ready and more mature as a product, and we'll find a better way to achieve such a result. But in the meanwhile, I think it's very good and it works, and this is how to get the jobs done.